Well, this is a rotisserie and it's made for the whole animal. You put sheep, lamb, whatever, pig, whatever you want. You put it inside. Actually, you put it on this stick, on this pole, and you just plug it in. And the motor turns it. As you can see, this thing is spinning now, and so your lamb or your sheep or your pig is getting done. It's made out of a 55-gallon drum with top welded on so you don't cut yourself. It's not sharp. Inside I burn, or I let it rust out so it eats up whatever was in the barrel, so it's safe. And like I said, the height can be adjusted. Sheep, lamb, pig, or whatever you want, you can do in this rotisserie. It's how Bosnians, Serbs, or Croatians do sheep, lambs, pigs, whatever they want. It's very convenient. You just plug it in and that's it. And it's getting done for you. I can also make barbecues, smokers. I can, instead of wood in here or charcoal, I can install a propane. It's up to you. Instead of the wood, I can put the steel post or a pole, whatever. I prefer wood because it does not affect the taste of the meat. The meat out of this thing comes out delicious. It just falls off the bones.